to the Philippine or the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. The reason why with Coach Ronnie Magsano.
Maliwanag yung attack points dito, napakarami para sa Cagayan Rising Suns. And if not for their multiple errors, definitely mas malayo yung kanilang agwat in the first set. They won by a total of 8 points. Superior talaga yung kanilang roster. The only way for the Philippine Navy team to be able to stay close is that they had to elevate their game defensively and offensively. As to how they will be able to do that, sila lamang ang makakasagot ng katanungan na yan.
That's right. And earlier we saw Jennifer Arasan because she is put in for the first time to start off this second set. We know Jennifer to be one of those very aggressive outside hitters. Let's see if she can probably change the complexion of this match starting off this second set. 1-0. CVRS draws first, but Andaya still serving. Nice from Janet Serafica.
One thing that she does best is to really mix up yung kanyang mga atake. Nakita mo naman yung twist ng kanyang wrist, ano?
That's right.
Hindi regular yung placing niyo, basang-basa niya yung depensa. Sarap panuurin talaga nitong atletang ito.
Good serve by Janet. Single block.
Oops. Hindi pwede yan.
Mahiro, China. Kulang na lang hatakan niya yung referee. Oy, tignan niyo naman si Sandra. Nandito na nakapatong sa loob ng court namin. Crossing violation called on Sandra.
Parang may turf war doon,
The call was a bit delayed, but still the right call to make. This is not... Oh, there's a touch on the block. No whistles. That was over the block. Joy Casas way up there.
Just making sure na wala nang problema kung may tawag o wala. Look at that, getting over 2 blockers.
Yes, sa taas sa
Pag
ibabaw.
nakabuelo talaga, no? Kaya nga gazelle ang palayaw, Ganda panuurin,
Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Good serve again from the #1 server of the league, Sandra De Los Santos. Good cover by Pompimol. Andaya will set up Joy Casas again off Suson.
Even without the right preparation, Joy Casas continues to tower over the blockers of Philippine Navy. Pag nakabuelo talaga, she reminds me so much of Yelay Benting. Ito, mas matangkad ito.
Uy, Sandra, 2 service errors already. And that is not typical because I've seen Sandra in one of the games serve 9
Tuloy-tuloy.
straight serves. All with yung may karga lahat yung serve na yun, hindi lang basta maipasok. May karga. Prochina. Good serve for reception by Chua Lim. Now it's a free ball for the Philippine Navy. Carpio dug up by Andaya.
And again, third point para dito kay Casas. Out of the total 4 points ng Cagayan, 3 dyan galing sa attack winners itong si Joy Casas, and this is the reason why.
Well, the block was really not set.
Nandun sila pero wala sila sa taas, no?
Magkalayo yung kamay, hindi na isarado ng gusto. Nice serve from Joy. Rosale with a poor reception. Arasan goes to Jonella. Good running by Tubino. Jonella again. Chuwalim. Uy! A touch by Tubino disrupted the pattern of the floor defense.
Totoo yan. Kala natin masasagot nila ng maayos. Instead, that will allow Philippine Navy to tie this game in the second set at 4-all. Hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin, huwag niyang sanggahin yun. Siya ang first line of defense, di ba?
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Knuckle shot by Tubino. That was a freebie. Straight into her.
Doc, you talk about the 2 reinforcements and of course the elevated game of Santos de los Santos. But Hani Tubino is such an integral part of this team.
I agree.
A quiet attacker, a quiet performer, and gets the job done in so many ways.
Casas with a dig. Tubino again. Dug up by Arasan. Rosale of Andaya. Smart play from Serafica to give it to Rosale.
Floor defense of Cagayan quite lacking at this stage of the second set. They have to understand that they cannot allow Philippine Navy to build their confidence level. Mga veterano to, marunong manalo, pag
Yeah.
nakatikit, mahirap kalaban.
5-all here in the second set. Wow. Solid block by Rosale. Sulim, no touch from the block. Ito, lamang na ang Philippine Navy. First taste of the lead for the Philippine Navy, 6-5 here in the second set. Oh, nice play.
Nasa Janet Serafica move.
Andaya showing that she can also do one of those power tips.
Hirap yung timing yan eh. Silip, pitik, puntos.
Oh, service ace this time from Tubino. Binawi agad ang kalamangan. 7-6 CBRS. Up by 1.
Sila talaga ni Sandra De Los Santos ang two best scorers. Bakit? Dahil naman sa mga ganong klaseng katangian. Hindi lang sa atake, pati pag-serve. Talagang matining ang nilalaro nitong si Hani Tubino.
Andaya gets that block. Teaming up with Sandra De Los Santos. They are on top by 2. 8-6 in the second. We'll be right back.